Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg keema. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1 large onion, and 2 medium tomatoes. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, roughly 1 tablespoon, and a selection of your favorite spices. This dish comes together quickly once everything is prepped, making it perfect for a weeknight meal. Let's dive into the cooking process. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in your ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until fragrant. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful keema. Once your aromatics are ready, add the chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they soften and the oil begins to separate, about 5 minutes. Now, it's time for the spices. Add your curry powder, turmeric, and chili powder, cooking for 2 minutes to toast them. Finally, mash your hard-boiled eggs and gently fold them into the spiced mixture, ensuring everything is well combined. To finish, add about 1/4 cup of water to achieve your desired consistency, then let the keema simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh cilantro. This delicious egg keema is fantastic with rice, roti, or even as a filling for sandwiches. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.